up Dr. Messless, my brother from another. Big up the VIP, respect, see, everything double up. You don't know, so big up everybody in the building, really. So right now we'll take a little break, 10 minutes only, and then I'll introduce the fastest rising zip dance artist in Zimbabwe. Introducing all the way from Pepe, DJ Fidel, only 10 minutes. The clock is ticking right now. Start the thing there. Young body, are you feeling irate? Yes, it's all about DJ Fidel, representing reggae dance business. Big up Bishop Palmer anyway, the happy birthday brethren. ZSM Stereo Too Bad. I saw we introducing Fanta Moja, representing DJ Fidel, Black Identity. Champion. Mr. Engineer, more volume on clear sound. Listening. Fidel, big up yourself to the fullest, don't play. Fanta Moja representing Black Identity. Scratch out you now! People! What up? On this time, every heat that's so fly. What up now? Black Identity. Sit! No break within sound. So I can go. What? Are you feeling idle? If you feeling idle, say idle! Oh, the ghetto is a sounding now. Represent is busy now. Fire! Fire! These are the things I see right in front of me. As I open my head, I get better like a rose. Out comes the sun, people on my face, right on outside. Birds get me high so I can make it. Oh, dreams are bright and days. Barra, are you ready for more reggae music? I saw it from top again. Hear this up. It's been a long time now since we grew together like this. And vibe is in the air, reggae music again. Happiness on every face, peace and love for every place. Smile and greet with friends over and over again. Boy, it's been a long time. Been a long like this. Alright people, right now I'm about to play one big tune from long time. This one is an energy tune. Hear this one now. That's how it is now. Hear this one now. Second anniversary. Anniversary Kumbare. Jimmy Nagada, the Zim Dancer, Singer Diana Speaker, the Big Up Yourself. Big Up to the Jaggers, one family. Are you ready for the Mbare anthem now? Are you ready for the foundation now? What's going from top now? Hear this one now. Hear this one now. Thank you, rock. Check the I say them are gonna I say bono this a clock and this a time number you in a say kala the jala for my feet and you can you hear somebody say Puno Puno. Alright, I'm telling again, it's only to tell from top now.